Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on UppTalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say UppTalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
I'll start to cancel a business process. Everyone, please look into that. To doing a cancellation business process, what do we need to do? That means, what is this scenario we are going to do? For example, a few projects were launching to the organization. There may chances to cancel it. Why and what are all process we are going to do the cancellation? To doing this activity, there may have a number of reasons to cancel the project, whether internal or external. Internal means organization, external means client. While doing this activity, what and all things we are going to be and do over there. While doing this activity, we are going to jump into the software. Let me change my ID. While doing this activity, we need to go to the workbench. Under the workbench, I need to go on to the business process. Suresh, you didn't change the screen. Software screen is not visible. Sorry, wait. Just forgot. I'll re-explain you everyone. I'm just coming to the main menu. To doing this activity, we need to go to the profile. Under the profile, we need to tap onto the workbench. Once we tap onto the workbench, we need to jump into the business process. Hope everyone can see now. Suyash, to do a cancellation of business process, what we need to do? We need to go under the workbench. We need to have it app onto the edit tenant set up business process related activities. Have it app on here. Sorry, this is not the one. Just give me a minute. We can have it app on to the edit condition rules on here. Have a select under the edit condition rule. Go to the partition list. Under this, we need to have a select of our organization department. In this, we need to select have an active project. In the live tenant, you will get only the active project over there. And in the selection of list of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 champs, this all will be not going to appear. It will appear only the active projects. Have a select of that. Tap. Edit this complete option. What is your project name? You're going to be on display. Edit. Cancel it. You can mention your project name. You can enter. Enter your note why you was going to be on canceling the process. You can mention 1 or 3 points why we are going to be in cancelling this process. Post completing all your points. Go to the categorization. In this, have a select of business process delegated rule. In this, you will get and skip. Apple management initiated hire is there. In this portion, you need to select iPhone project for Fix6. You will get those options in the live tenant. Have a selected of that option. Copy the condition rule. Have a selected of active project. Come to the rule usage. Submit project. From the back end, it has been updated in subject project. If the subject process project has been not updated, you need to take a screenshot. Update your backend team to get the backend formal. This has been done. Everyone. Anyone having any questions to did not understand any sequence? Quickly go ahead. I think no. Thank you. Close that. Have it up to from here. You've been successfully processed the project cancellation process. These are all the details. We have been updated by it has been cancelled and what is the reasons. These are all the details. It has been updated immediately. This ticket is going to be in wait for the approval bucket of CEO. And once he has been approved, the ticket has been moved from the organization. After completing this activity, you need to come on here. Tap onto your main home screen button. You can go with the next option post completing this. That is how we need to do the business cancellation process of the individual project. Clear, everyone? Anyone having any questions, any doubts of the sequence related? No, sir, Amita. Off. Then those conditions for cancellation of the projects are also given by the team. Everything will be given from the team. I'm telling you once again, all of you, there is nothing we need to update as per our own knowledge. Everything we need to take and collate, and we need to do an email documented from the management team. Suraj, thank you. Very good. Post completing this activity, let's enter to the how to handle terminations and how to handle the promotion and how to handle the transfer and for that transformation from one organization to another organization. To doing this activity, termination is we can able to do the termination as an organization. Is it possible to terminate? The organization or any of the department has a back-end team. Yes or no, guys? No. Is it possible to promote any of the department to higher level or lower level? Is it that rights is available to you as a back-end? Is it possible to do the what we call transfer the organization departments, one department, another department? No, definitely we cannot do a bulk activation of this. Whenever you are going to do a termination, you can able to terminate the employees as in bulk way or individual way. And coming to that, promotions, yes, definitely. You can able to give the promotions as nothing, but it's an IGP. What is mean by IGP? Kuzama namita namata aven. No ideas of internal job posting. Once you completed 1 year in the same organization, you have an authority to upgrade your skill. Internal promotions. It doesn't ever anywhere. You're talking about movement from one team to another, Suresh. In internal job posting you have in the company. Yes, yes. What we will call in the moment internal job transfer. Promotion is equal to that. It's a simple word to convey. But promotion happens within that same team. Suresh, we are not going to a different team. I don't know what is the exact organization. Is that promotion means yes, we can able to migrate it further. If I want to promote training team to operations, I need to be unsatisfied from the training team that I have an operations knowledge. There was a set of organizations it's available where I need to go with the cross skilling from training manager to operation manager. Post drivers showcased my skills enhanced over there. Then they will do a certification basic to me within the internal, and then they will allow me to handle the operations. There was a lot of organizations is going to do the same way. And transfer related, you know what is meant by transfer. Yes, transfer can be happen one branch to other branch or one department to other department also. That will also want to come under the bucket of flow, you know the same way. But however, today we are going to complete all these three formats on same. To doing this activity, we need to go to the software, enter into the software search bar for doing this activity. We need to do any of the employee. I'm going to selecting my employee code Alex, ALEX, Alex Grossman. Have a tap on to the Alex Grossman. I got Alex Grossman profile on here. In this, I can able to see here Alex Grossman, the complete details. Overview his job details and his summary overview pay, job benefits, personal contact, performance, career absence, feedbacks, everything I can able to see. Apart from that, I have one more option called actions. Have a tap on to the actions. It's loaded. We will get an action field. On here, I will get the complete work history of the Alex Grossman, his security groups, whatever the rewards he received of the day you can able to identify. Nowhere we are going to relate it this as a backend. Consultants. This is the complete team going to take care of his higher level officials. Benefits. We are not going to change any benefits. If you want to change any benefits, these benefits changes and updation has been conducted from the induction. Whenever, if any employee who's going to join into the organization, he need to go under the benefits and he need to update his complete profile from his photo to his employment job details as well. And business assistance. This is also not in our boundary of activation and doing. Business process also same. And business process is completely going to take care by their higher level team members like managers and CEO supervisors is going to be and take care of this guy particular. And calendar, now where we are being related. Compensation also same. Coming to the expenses, job change. Job change we are going to do manage of work, organization, payment, payroll, and personal data information. How to delete the photo, how to update the photo, how to update the email IDs, how to update the emergency contact number, how to edit the previous cont numbers. These are all details we can able to identify under the personal data. And this everyone can able to do easily. Post completing this activity, recruiting and reports. Nowhere we are going to be unrelated work history also on the same. We have the related to. Only one is personal data, other one is job change. Coming to the job change, I request you have a tap onto the job change of everyone and go to the start. Job change, transfer, promotion, change of job. What is meant by transfer and what is meant by promotion? What is meant by change? Can anyone tell me about these three frequencies? Any transfer is getting transferred to a different team, like how we spoke about the internal moment or getting transferred to a different region or different branch of the same company. And then promotion is getting to the next level, moving to the higher level. And change job is, I'm not sure about change job. Change job. Now we are going to do start, job changing, transfer and promotion. To doing this activity, I need to tap on this transfer and promotion job change. I'll get an update box on here. This is one of my updated books. Post that I need to have it app onto the export to worksheet. Have it app on this export to worksheet. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.